wanted to show you quickly how to prepare the aloe vera. You don't want to just throw it in. I'm gonna cut off a piece, probably about this big. And then from there, all you want is the gel. I'm gonna slice off the leaf on all 4 sides. And then from there, just rinse it underwater. It has this like just sticky material on it. You want to get rid of all of that because that can bother your stomach and it's not really something you want to be having too much of anyway. For the turmeric, I've been really into the root lately. I do have the powder. If you were with me from when I first started, I originally did like a turmeric latte, and it's really nice in the winter, but it's summertime, so it's a little hot out. So I want to make something a little bit more refreshing and like chilly. I really like turmeric just because it's anti-inflammatory if you get enough of it. It's a good just kind of pain relief alternative to ibuprofen or anything like that. So I actually like it for muscle soreness. If I did a big workout, I know it's going to sound like hocus pocus, but it really does reduce the soreness, whether it's completely removing it or if it's just eliminating the pain. I don't really know, but if I feel like I'm going to be really sore for whatever reason, maybe I worked out a lot, or if you go on like a really big hike, or if you bike a lot, I just always try to like have it because it just makes the next day a little bit more tolerable. So yeah.